I'm going to show you how to use a heavy duty vacuum cleaner. Now basically what this is another name for it is a shop vac, which is basically used to clean up water, large piles of debris, wood chips, or just any other messes you may have. And the very first thing we're going to need to do to use one of these is you simply just need to plug it into an extension cord or the wall. It takes up a lot of energy, so if you do have a higher voltage cable, I highly recommend using that. And once we've actually plugged in our vacuum, like I have, you can actually see on the very top of the vacuum, there's a switch. And when you click on it, it will basically turn the vacuum on. But before we actually turn our vacuum on, you can see right here on the very top of our vacuum, there's a bunch of different heads for our vacuum. So depending on what mess you're trying to clean up, like if you're trying to clean up wood chips, you might want to use this. Or if you're trying to clean up water, you might want to use something that is more precise. And once you have the head that you actually want to put on, you can see we can grab the tube right here. And you basically just want to take off the original head, like I'm doing so here. You just want to pull on one end, which will simply remove the head. This is just an extension head, these two on right here. I can actually put another head on the end of this if I would like to. But you can basically just add this head just by pushing on. It doesn't screw on or anything. You just want to hit it a few times and it'll easily just stay on like so. And once we've added the head to the vacuum, you can simply click the switch on the very top, the red switch, and you can see it'll turn on like so. And if you do turn it on without having the suction actually being on the ground or vacuuming up anything, it'll actually blow a bunch of air out of here. But when you do put this thing on the ground completely flat, it'll actually stop blowing out of the air from that thing. So it's completely normal. And when you actually start vacuuming, this thing will stop blowing out air, as you will see when you try to use it. So I'm just going to turn it on. And basically you can use this vacuum for pretty much anything just because it's so high powered. You can basically clean up wood chips, water, trash, or any spilled mess, and it'll basically just take out the moisture out of anything if you're also trying to dry something using this vacuum. And it is important to note when you are vacuuming, you want to keep this thing completely flat on the ground. Let's just say my hand is the ground. You want to have it completely flat so it can have more suction power when cleaning up, versus if it's slightly up like this, it won't be nearly as strong if it were to be completely flat. You're basically missing out on power if it's not completely flat. So whatever you're vacuuming, if it's water, wood chips, or literally trash, it could be anything, you basically want to keep it completely flat for the most possible power. And when you're done vacuuming, all you're going to need to do to clean this out is you can see there's little levers just on the side of this right here, which you basically want to pull up both of them, and you can actually see the inside will be filled with whatever you were vacuuming, and you can just dump that in the trash, or if it is water, you can dump it outside somewhere. And you can basically just remove this vacuum filter just by pulling off the top, just twisting a little, and you can shake this off or just hit it against something outside to basically just clean it, or you can always add a new one. But that's all you need to do to change the vacuum filter. And you can easily add it on like so, and just repeat the process, rinse and repeat, you know the gist. And then easily just reattach the vacuum lid just like so, just by making sure the handles click. And yeah, that's all you need to do to use one of these vacuums. If you have any other questions in the comments, please let me know. And yeah, have a great day.